I'm Chris Wilson from Dowless Roofing and Metal Company. I was called out here to do check a chimney on a house. It's early in the morning on a sultry day here in North Carolina. Someone has a problem with the chimney. She also asked me when I go up there to check the rest of the roof, see if there's any problems up there. So we're going to go up and take a look, see what we see. We just started up the ladder here, and one of the first things I see is a pipe flashing. We'll check the chimney out in just a minute. Looks like some squirrels have come up here and chewed on this pipe flashing. This is quite a typical thing to do. Squirrels seem to like to eat these lead flashings. Here's another lead flashing. You can look right down through the top of this one. See this hole right here? Squirrels have gotten up here and chewed a hole right through the top of this thing. So that'll let water get inside, come down inside. Sometimes you won't see these problems. The floor will start to get soft around a plate in a wall, and then you'll have some great issues going on. These need to be changed out. Probably make a shop fabricated copper pipe flashing. Progress across the roof. Here's another pipe flashing. Let's check this one out and see what we've got here. Yeah, sure enough, squirrels have been over here chewing on this one too. You can see holes right in the top of this. The other reason I came up here was to check out the chimney. This chimney, its house itself, probably, I'm guessing, was built maybe in the early 60s. Someone's put a cap on it, shop fabricated cap, try to keep water out of the flue. This has some copper flashing on it, which indicates someone was taking care of this thing so it didn't rust the flashing out. Looks like they've done the flashing pretty well properly. The joints probably will need to be cut out, recaulked where they tuck into the brick. Some other issues that you face on chimneys, as you can see right here, there's a crack right here in this brick. Right down below it, there's a joint, a masonry joint. Someone's tried to fill it with some flashing cement. They start to crack. Other things start to occur. Little small hairline cracks occur at the joint between a brick and a mortar joint. Those need to be tuck pointed at times. Basically, the outside of this chimney probably needs to be power washed to get all the old algae off of it, and then let it dry, and then we come back and we put a water sealer, a masonry sealer on it, excuse me. Other aspects up here on this roof, this is what's called a 3-tab shingle. It's pretty much the bottom of the line. They can be a fairly dependable shingle through the years and have been used for many years. This particular shingle is somewhere near the end of its life. If you can see the little edges of the shingle starting to turn up in some places, that indicates that losing granules and losing oil in those shingles. So you're losing the capacity for the shingle to keep out water. Over here we've got a power ventilator. Now this is about 11:15 in the south. Hot day, beginning to be a hot day. It's probably about, I'm guessing about 85 degrees right now in May. That power ventilator should be on right now, because I know that it's hot in that attic, and it's not running. Indicates there's probably something wrong with it and needs to be replaced. Continuing this inspection up here, looks like they put a rain diverter right here at the edge of this roof to keep a ton of water from pouring off the edge down into that AC unit. As you can see, debris can pile up behind it, and that needs to be cleared off. Water can be trapped in there and back up under shingles, causing problems. Overall on this roof, we'll probably suggest that they go ahead and budget for a new roof. They don't have to be in a real big hurry, but they probably need to budget for it and get ready for it. It's good to be advised ahead of time. At this point, someone can not re-roof, or they can go ahead and do it and just avoid problems that they might have in the future from these old shingles. The thing we need to be aware of on homes is soffit ventilation. This house has a power ventilator fan taking care of the exhaust, but you have to have an intake, and in this house it comes from the soffit, and generally speaking should come from soffits on most houses. As you can see here, they've interspersed some ventilated soffit with some solid soffit to provide some air going up through the roof at the lowest level, and it'll continue up to that power ventilator fan.